the Applejack Rabbit. It's like that item in a parcel that the Amazon driver makes you sign for your next door neighbour, which is half opened and contains a sex toy, assuring there'll be plenty of awkwardness when they come round your house later to pick it up. We're working with a new spirit, Applejack, which is an old school apple brandy. It's similar to Calvados, and this is the Laird's brand, which has this American eagle and looks like it's riding a Harley Davidson and smoking Marlboro Reds. Other ingredients in this is maple syrup, and yes, Canadians, and I can do better on this one, fresh lemon and fresh orange juice. Let's kick this off with 2 ounces, that's 60ml of Applejack. Follow this up with half an ounce, that's 15ml of maple syrup. Then add 3/4 of an ounce, so that's 22.5ml of fresh orange juice. Then lastly, follow up with 3/4 of an ounce, that's 22.5ml of fresh lemon juice. Add ice and shake for 10 to 15 seconds. History-wise, this cocktail goes back to 1927. It also appeared in Harry Craddock's Savoy cocktail book in 1930. More recently, New York bartender Jim Meehan respected the cocktail, increasing the amount of lemon juice, which I think works exceptionally well. Double strain into a chilled coupe glass, then express the oils of a lemon peel and use this as a garnish. The taste test. Every now and then you try a drink and it really takes you by surprise. The Applejack is amazing. We're sleeping on this spirit, I think. It gives it a sour complexity. The orange and lemon, I really think they're an underrated pairing. The maple syrup prevents it from becoming too bitter. And this is a great autumnal drink, and Applejack does deserve more hype.